Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. Here there's no change to the wave count. We're following through here currently to the downside. I think we're currently in the third wave to the downside here. Yeah, after we rallied obviously in a larger wave one between June and August last year. We came down in a three-wave move in an A wave, had a massively overshooting B wave, and we're coming down now in a C wave. That would be my interpretation. In this C wave, if we zoom in, and this is, by the way, my view, as long as we stay below $1.19. Above that level, it might shift probabilities back to a more direct breakout to the upside. But until then, as long as we stay below $1.19, the focus would be on lower. Looks to me like we are now in this third wave. Now the discussion, there can be some discussion around, okay, is this an ABC or do we have a WXY? Because this correction doesn't really fit in to a third wave. So into a C wave. So it could be a WXY. Wave W down, X high, Y down, and in the Y wave we have an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. I think this is, by the way, that's the dog in the background. This would be, in my opinion, nearly even more likely. And if you're wondering why does a third wave have a corrective subwave structure, just simply has to do with the situation that we are probably here in an ending diagonal. The C wave down is an ending diagonal. So I think this is actually quite a likely interpretation. They will say, okay, here the third wave is a WXY structure. And within the Y wave, we have an ABC that would be pretty much in line with Bitcoin's Ethereum's count, ABC. And in the B wave, there's still a chance to move higher. And as long as we stay below 119, I would think this is the particular count I would go with. The B waves can certainly go a little higher. I don't have massive confidence in this count. Bear in mind, if this is a diagonal pattern, we deal with unreliable corrective subwaves, but at least it gives you some orientation. A break below yesterday's low at 94.6 cents, I think, would send us directly down into the, well, middle, middle 70 cent region, somewhere around the 75 cent range. Could send us down quite directly down. However, as long as we hold above that level, I think a higher B wave would not be unlikely, because so far this was very shallow, this move up. And a higher B wave could certainly send us into the region, and I give you the standard B wave retracement between $1.06 and $1.13. But it's not high confidence. I leave the resistance for B on the chart. But if we get a breakout directly to the downside below yesterday's low, we're coming down directly in wave C. Okay, and that would complete the so-called Y wave. Again, target for the Y wave, typically what we're looking for is the 1-to-1 ratio between waves W and Y. And here we talk about the very first target that was actually reached already, but it doesn't quite match that the third wave should be longer. So I'm looking for an extension. I'm looking for the 1.618 extension. Here we see actually 83 cents, looking just at the extensions. And then if we go any lower than that, it depends a little bit on the subwave structure as well, ABC. It would certainly send us down into this support region, I think, right? And that would be, from looking at the proportions, match quite well. I mean, the trend is down in my opinion, yeah? Lower lows, lower highs here along the way. And this structure matches quite well what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing. Again, be aware, this can morph a lot, this can change a lot. If we know that we are in an ending diagonal, things can change quickly because we deal with unreliable corrective subwave structures. But yeah, as long as we stay below 119, I'm going to go with this count now and we'll observe it and keep you updated about any changes. All right, there's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.